Hey y'all, I'm ready to go to Aldi real quick just to see what they have. Hopefully my camera is working right, y'all. I had to reset it back to the factory settings. I don't know if it's gonna even show right or not. And then I noticed my glasses always look crooked in the video. Yeah, I know, because I got a unit on, and then maybe I just got a crooked head. I don't know, but I'm going to go to Aldi real quick and see what they have. What's up to my MVP riders? Thank you for always supporting your girl. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl a comment. Sorry. But yeah, do all the things y'all normally do. Thank you for always supporting your girl. I truly do appreciate it. But let's get this video going. I haven't been to Aldi in a while, so let's go up here and see. I know they marked a lot of clearance stuff down, so I just want to see what they got. So let's head up here and do that, and yeah, let's go. Okay, y'all, let's check out Aldi candle. This is the week of July, the first week of July. So let's check out their candles. I already have these candles. That's the reason why I passed on them. I think the only one I don't have is probably that fresh pineapple one, I do believe. Not 100% sure, but it was a pass for me. $5 price point. I'm kind of iffy on that price point, especially since these are single wick candles, so you already know how all these single wick candles perform. So it was a pass for me. These designer jar candles at the $9 price point was automatic pass. I'm good. If they go on clearance, I might grab one, but I already have these candles, especially the Paradise Cliff. If you haven't grabbed that Paradise Cliff candle yet, it's amazing. It's a dupe for Anthropology Volcano. So everybody go crazy over that candle. They also had these single wicks marked down to $1.90, which is not bad for these single wicks. My store had a lot. And I was so happy to see that the candles is still $3.99. They also had these macaron candles priced at $3 for clearance. I didn't grab these. I really do not like the lid on those. I started to buy this deck box for $40. You cannot beat that. Regular price was $109. So getting it for $40 was a really good buy, but I passed on that as well. And then they had these bold, I don't even know the name of these candles, but they had these marked down pretty reasonable, not that much. They didn't have them marked that much. And then these other macaron candles was marked down as well, and I passed on that too. So this week for all of these items was a pass for me. I didn't grab any of this clearance stuff. I don't know. Okay, y'all, I'm out the store, and I actually been out the store for a little minute now. I got a couple items. I'm holding this camera because y'all know I gotta get my other tripod. I have to. But I got a couple of items. I decided to grab the pineapple thing. This is for my son. He wanted one of these. This is the pineapple slicer thing where you kind of make the pineapple look like that. I got that. I got these produce bags. These were on clearance for $1 each, and these are like a 5-piece set. If you can see that. I didn't even know it came with 5 bags, but it's a 5-piece set. Grab that for $1 each. Y'all already know. And then I got something for the grill. These were marked down, these grill pans. Wait a minute. Sorry, y'all. These were marked down. I'm looking at the front camera and I don't know how wide it is, if I'm in frame or what. But I got this grill pan, so when I'm grilling and I want to do vegetables, I can use this pan versus trying to find one of those tin pans. So I wanted to grab one of these for $3.75. That wasn't bad for this. Also, like when I'm doing shrimp, things like that, or kebabs, I got this one, the flat pan. Again, these were $3.75. That was not bad for this. So this will be good for like fish, like the picture showed, the kebabs, or just salmon. I'm not salmon, but shrimp, things like that. That's what this will be good for. They had a lot of stuff marked down. I was actually looking for that knitted fruit bag, but I couldn't find it. My store didn't have it. And I also was looking for that patio furniture. My store didn't have that. My store did have that egg-shaped chair, but you know, the regular price is like $4.50. They had it marked down to $2.50, which I think is still expensive. So I passed on that. That was a no. They had a lot of candles. They had some of the single wicks marked down to $1.90, which is not bad. A lot of the 3-wick candles, they had those new candles, those designer candles. They should change the style of those designer candles. That's just my opinion. We all love Paradise Cliff. If you keep missing that, they do have it back in the store now, and it is, I think, $9. But those jars, I don't like the jars of those. Those candles do smell good, but the jar and the lid is a no for me. I bought them a long time ago because, you know, it was my first time. But every time after, ever since, I pass on that. $9, no. The candle is good, but it is a single wick candle, so that was a pass. So that was basically everything I got from Aldi. Leave in the comments, let me know, is this a skip week for you at Aldi, or are you grabbing some of the clearance candles? Leave that at the bottom. Leave at the bottom. Are y'all still buying Paris Cliff candle? Leave that at the bottom. I need to know that. That's what I really want to know. Who's still buying Paris Cliff candle at the $9 price? Now, I understand if it goes on clearance, you know, for like $3, then yes, it's a go. But remember, it is a single wick candle in that crazy shaped jar. So yeah, leave that down in the comment area. And I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. Yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, hit my notification bell. Also follow me on all of my social media platforms. Follow or use my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. Do all those things because it do help my channel, and I will see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.